it is 6:30 in the morning and we are heading out to go get myself another project car. We got Jimmy here waiting here in the pickup my truck. That's it. Oh, it's raining, dude. Careful that.
It's raining.
It's fucking downpouring. You know, there's one thing I need to grab. I gotta get a magnet.
A raincoat.
Dad, too, do you have a raincoat?
I have my work coat.
Okay, I'll be right back, Alright. We're heading off down to the Cape right now. It is now 6:32. Jimmy showed up on time.
It's in the Cape?
Jimmy, this is what we do.
No.
This is what we do. We lie.
No.
Alright, so it's not definitely ideal conditions. If we do decide to purchase it, we'll be loading it up on the ramps in the freaking pouring rain. Oh no. But first, Jimmy always needs to get a quick pit stop. So first stopping at Dunkin'. So we'll see you at the next stop.
Yellow, can I get a medium ice caramel swirl made regular?
Medium ice caramel made regular?
Can I actually switch that and make that French vanilla swirl?
Can I make it French vanilla?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Should have got a muffin. Dude, I'm starving. I didn't even eat it.
I know, I had that sandwich the other day from Mom.
It's pretty good? Yeah.
I never get sandwiches from here because I feel like it's really artificial.
Oh, it ain't real.
No. No, like they get the eggs like pre-cooked. It's really good. But you know, I could use like actual breakfast. What's that place?
IHOP.
No, that place near Ray's.
Denny's.
I don't even think there's Denny's like within the 25-mile radius.
We're going past 25 miles.
Hell yeah. Yeah, it's a new IHOP. No, IHOP's
in
been
Lincoln.
There. No, in
Is it?
Smithfield.
There's a new one in Lincoln. Did we?
Yeah. Dude, I've watched some really good YouTubers, like just like kids like us, just like funny as fuck. Oh, let me get rear-ended. Oh my god.
You know, some people are funny. This is always a mission.
Oh, go the highway.
This is right.
Oh, ready? Hopefully there's an ambulance close by. Oh shit.
This is where I also got rear-ended.
Oh, this is where I'm about to get rear-ended. That's like you and the Jetta going out in front of somebody doing 60 miles an hour. I've never watched that. Fucking slam the brakes so hard. He fucking laid on the horn. Here's mine too. His horn. Oh, there it is.
Oh, where it is.
I think I'm gonna back up to that one.
That little shit thing.
Shut your mouth.
This is where I found out car needs ball joints on this road.
Huh?
This is where I found out car needs some ball joints. The door's up over there.
I know. I love driving a new truck, but one day it's gonna need everything.
We'll go next to this shit. Grab one.
Oh, what? You hit my spot.
That's what I rented, the little car dolly.
Yeah, I'm not towing that.
What do you mean?
That's embarrassing.
How is that embarrassing? It gets the job done.
Jeff told me a story when he towed one of those up to New Hampshire. And he said he was doing like 90. And they really say if you don't exceed 55 miles an hour for a reason.
A fishtail.
Yeah, he said that. He said if somebody was on the side of him, they would have been dead. He said the thing was fishtailing, flopping around.
That's not good.
Dude, that kid's a huge.
Huge.
to extend it by half an hour. I want 24 and a half hours.
This isn't bad. So how do these ratchets?
You gotta lace them up through here.
So it goes up through here.
Oh, it's
then-
foolproof, Mark.
Oh yeah, then it goes tucks right into the ratcheter. Not too shabby, dude. Everything's good.
And there's those hacked safety chains. Where the hell are you gonna put those things?
What are those for?
I guess you just hook it to the frame and you pray that oh, there's one back there.
I don't know.
Yeah, you hook those to the frame. He said that they stay
So-
loose. They're just
This
safety.
trailer weighs 2,100 pounds. The maximum is 7,000. That's plenty for our Duramax we're putting. I mean Duramax. I'm just kidding.
No, if you think about it, the truck tows 9,200, so subtract
Ooh, yeah.
21 from 92,
Yep.
and then that's whatever you have left to put on the trailer.
Yep. We're cooking.
Of course you can't do U-turns right here.
No, you can't.
You know, if I didn't have this trailer, I would.
I wouldn't do it, yeah. All right, guys, we're all set, loaded up, and now we're heading all the way down to the Cape right now to pick up the vehicle. You excited, Jimmy?
Yeah, I want to see actually what kind of POS this thing is.
POS? This is not a PS. I don't think you can see the little
I
thing.
don't even think I can turn around.
No, you gotta go all the way down. I don't think you can even see the little
I'm
tiny
glad
trailer.
you're paying for gas. I'll just start.
Do you hear it?
That's probably my radio.
You think? Alright.
Yeah, I really don't even feel this trailer.
No?
No.
Alright, we're gonna catch you guys further on down the road. Thank God we are not on that side of the road. We are open highway for 30 miles.
Dude, I'm hitting those manholes and this trailer's going crazy. Dude, ready? We're gonna hit this. No!
It's a good thing we're not doing that. Look at that. Look at that. It's not even moving.
Would you look at that?
Just look at
There's
it.
an ambulance. Would you look at that?
You can't even go.
Would you look at this? Would you look at that? Just look at it. I don't know why that trailer said speed limit's 55 and 70.
Wait, I think we can do 90.
Dude, it's bouncing.
Dude, they're gonna get you on fit video.
Do you think if you rented that Ford they had, think you could tow that trailer?
What Ford?
That Ford that was how you home.
What do you mean? Which one? The tow dolly?
No, that's
Oh, the one that you- Oh, the one you can rent for $19.95?
You can rent this motherfucker.
$19.95. No, I don't know. I would pull with this all day long. That's $19.95. Yeah, that's all. Oh, we don't need anything else right now.
Do you seriously think feel like I'm pulling up to this?
Yeah.
I don't know if the shake is the trailer or the truck.
That's not good. I really need to get. I want to get a GoPro.
Yeah. I forgot you got that one. It was really crappy.
It was terrible. The vibe was absolutely terrible.
I'd be afraid to like stick out in the truck and like do videos and the damn thing flies off.
Well, if it does, just stop, pull over, and go get it. We're making great timing. It is now 8:28. GPS says 8:29. We're gonna arrive. This is probably one of the first times we're ever super early, huh?
Yeah, we are really early.
We are. We're 30 minutes early, so we're gonna do like a quick, like drive by, take a quick look, and then we're gonna head out. We're gonna get some grub, and we'll swing back, 30 minutes when we're supposed to meet the gentleman. So it's coming up. It's supposed to be on the right up here. What is it? 155. So Maybe we'll catch this guy out here tinkering with this, you know, before he's trying to sell it.
Drive by it, doing a burnout.
He's doing a burnout in it. The last burnout, the send off.
Does
Hey,
not
look,
drive.
that's the Fusion. Right there. Okay.
It's really tight.
155. Oh, this duck's right there. Don't hit the ducks.
Oh my god.
Those are pretty ducks. They're big ones. Right there.
That was up?
No, that's not it. Was it?
That had to have been it.
That looked like a Ford Falcon, didn't it? You might sink. I don't know if you turn around and you sink.
Oh, there's chickens.
Why is there so many animals over here?
Yeah, that's not an option back in this dude's driveway. Hopefully I'll get ahead.
This is probably a great field for hunting.
You could walk in there, I'm all set.
It's his backup game.
Bang!
Yeah, that's what it is? That looked like a Ford Falcon on the end, didn't it?
I mean, he's definitely a Ford guy.
Yeah. Alright. Look at the chickens.
That duck's back.
Dude, those are big fucking ducks.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's
Oh,
inside?
he's a Dodge Ram, bro.
Oh, okay.
He's got it right there.
I saw it. Yeah. She's got another Falcon right there.
Oh, he's selling his helmet.
Alright, he's sleeping, man. Super early. Look at the fucking ducks. Look at the ducks. Wow. Dude, you got an ugly face. Dude, he's got shit on his face. Oh, don't do that. That is not nice. Look at Waddle's bum.
Sounds like a Prius.
Alright, so now we gotta get grub. We're killing it for time though, 8:30.
Yeah, we're crushing it.
Alright. She's got a Falcon, he's got a Ram.
A rotted out Ram, a Dakota.
Just left the golden. Look at that down there. He's pulling that with that.
Oh, and you say I get off topic all the time. I should be towing this with that.
Should be.
Oh, that guy's munching on his grub.
Alright, we just left the Golden Arches. We're heading back to the guy's house. There's such a weird McDonald's too. Oh, here we go, because Jimmy's not wearing a seatbelt.
I'm wearing my seatbelt.
Such a weird looking McDonald's. Never seen one like that.
You're a weird looking McDonald's.
That's not nice. So now we're heading back to the guy's house. Meeting him probably, 9:06. So hopefully the guy's up. That was the issue with him. So hopefully he is, and hopefully we like it. Right?
I don't see why we would not like it.
No, the pictures that he sent was it looked
The biggest thing
decent.
is the undercarriage. I mean, you can fix fenders and doors and rear quarters, trunk hoods and hoods.
the frame, no.
The frame you can technically
Patch it,
but it's